First, wet down your board. A good amount, but I mean, obviously you don't want it to warp. Make little squiggles. One thing I've learned with these two colors, they're a little bit dark and they could show up. So how I get around that is I'll just go like this and then add a little bit more in after, but I'm going to put the blue on the light. And just try your best to hit it. A little thicker here, a little less there. Some of this. If you need more, you can add it in afterwards. If it starts to muddy up, you gotta be careful. So we'll just go along like this and flip it. Get the edges. And this is a really good technique. If you want some blending, but you don't want to go too crazy with the coloring. And just light, I like barely push it down, the last one, so you don't get the brush strokes. Maybe you want it a little more contrasty. So just go in, add in a little more, and be light about it. Make sure you swing all the way off your edges, otherwise it's going to be like a weird blop there. This will probably take about a day to dry. I would just wait because it's pretty thick of spit. And then you could seal, or some people put their vinyl stickers here. Whatever you'd like to do. That is technique 2. You're going to do this base part first. I have the gold here. I'm just going to kind of thin it out. And this is Aphrodite. It's a rose gold. This is actually the first one. They've redone it a little bit to look a little more on the rose side. It's perfect for what I need now. You're going to crumple the paper up. Just blot it on. Go like this. Kind of switch your paper around. You don't want the same lines going everywhere. Just light taps. I went out into my garage and I had spray painted this clear coat, 2 coats. Going to now use this. You have to spray paint. If you don't spray paint, you could work up your design that you've already put down. And now I'm going to take 2 completely different colors and just put it on like where I feel. It doesn't really have to go anywhere specific. Probably should mix it up a little bit more. Just get a little on the sides. I see I nicked it here. And just swish it on a little here and there. This is going to give it that more patina look, more used. Like, been around forever. Green and blues, light blue. I just don't want to really get brown. Gotta stay away from those yellows. Little on the sides. There. You still see some, but you got your new layer. I noticed I wanted to put a little gold, just a little bit of gold, just a little highlight here and there. Take a look again, and then let it dry and give a coat of spray paint. So this is the final step, and I've spray painted this with a clear coat 2 times. I have my sander here, and I put on a, I'm not sure exactly what grit, but it's just not a harsh one. And so we're going to take and go over a couple of these areas. dog's pooping. She likes to poop in my videos, I guess. That came out really cool. If you want it to remain a matte color, just get a matte clear spray paint and spray right over it. And then this one is going to hang on the wall, so people aren't going to be stepping on it or furniture. So you could just add more clear coat if it's going to be something that's going to be stepped on. But I think it came out really pretty.